You're about to learn how to fully translate your videos into any language in just a few.
で動画をどんな言語にも丸ごと翻訳する方法を紹介します。
And unlike other AI dubbing models, it also includes realistic lip sync, which works no matter how many people are on screen at the same time.
Ja, total logisch. Bei aujourd'hui, avec ces mini-boucles de dopamine partout.
Now, the tool I'm going to use to do this is called Dubbing 2.0 from Synthesia, which is already used by the majority of Fortune 100 companies to translate their content into over 130 languages and regional accents. It works by listening to all of the audio in your original recording and then creates an exact voice clone in the new language so you can look and sound like a native speaker. You can find a link to Dubbing 2.0 down in the description below, and once you're in the main Synthesia dashboard, you can click the banner for dubbing right here in the middle, or you can find it over in the toolbar on the left hand side. So I can now go ahead and upload any video file from my computer, and as you can see, my clip features 2 speakers in an interview setting. And now I just need to choose all of the languages that I want to translate my video into, and as you can see right here, it's already remembered Spanish and Japanese from a previous video that I've dubbed, and I can now just choose as many other languages as I want from this list. So I'm going to go ahead and add Danish, I'll add Greek, and I'll add Portuguese. In the advanced options, you can see that the AI has auto-detected the original language from the uploaded video. I can add a project name if I want to. I'll also make sure the lip sync is turned on, and I can then choose between adaptive or original dubbing. Now, adaptive is going to adjust the speed of your video depending on the translation. So this is probably best to use for an interview video like this or a talking head video. And original is going to keep the video the exact same length as the original recording. So if you're uploading a more fast-paced edited social media video, this is the best option to use. Because mine's an interview, I'm going to choose adaptive and then dub video, and the AI will get to work right away. So if I hit view translations, you'll see that all of the videos are now generating at the same time. And if I come back in a few minutes, they're all ready to go. And I can click on any of these to review the results individually. But one of the coolest features about Dubbing 2.0 is that I can click on the original recording, and now in the video player right here, I can change from English to any of those translations that I selected, all in the same video player. So when you share this with your audience, they can choose which language they watch in. And speaking of sharing, all I need to do is hit the big share button at the top of the screen. I'll make sure all of my translations are included and then copy the link, or I can download each file individually as an MP4. And I can do that by hitting the 3 dots at the top and choosing the download option. And if you want to learn how to convert any boring document into an engaging video featuring an AI clone of yourself that can also speak over 130 languages, you should watch the video on screen right now.